What if I told you that in 2026, making money online doesn't have to be complicated, stressful, or require years of experience, and that even complete beginners can start earning using simple, automated, and smart methods? Today we're diving into the laziest ways to make money online for beginners, showing you multiple streams that require minimal effort while maximizing results. And by the end, you'll have a full roadmap to start generating income from home or anywhere. First, let's explore AI-powered content creation, which has exploded in 2026. Tools like AI video generators, article writers, and social media automation apps let you create high-quality content in minutes that can monetize blogs, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram without hiring a team or spending hours. Next, affiliate marketing with automated funnels allows you to earn commissions by recommending products and services. With AI tools, you can set up landing pages, email sequences, and ads that run 24/7, turning a single campaign into a continuous income stream while you focus on other things. Then there's print-on-demand and dropshipping, which now integrates AI design, automated fulfillment, and smart inventory tracking. So you need stock or shipping experience. Just upload designs or products and let the platform handle logistics while you tweak ads or grow your audience. We'll also discuss passive royalty streams, like selling AI-generated stock photos, music, or designs on marketplaces that pay you every time someone downloads your work, which in 2026 can be fully automated and requires almost no maintenance once uploaded. Micro-investment and AI trading platforms are another low-effort method, where AI analyzes markets, predicts trends, and executes trades for you, allowing even beginners to participate in stocks, crypto, or ETFs with minimal involvement, while the system handles analysis and execution. In addition, we'll cover online courses, guides, and digital products, where you can package knowledge or strategies into PDFs, video tutorials, or templates. Then automate sales through platforms like Gumroad or Shopify, turning expertise into consistent passive revenue. I'll also share insider tips on niche selection, avoiding scams, tracking analytics, and scaling each method gradually, ensuring that your efforts turn into reliable income rather than wasted time. Finally, we'll explore side hacks like automated surveys, AI-powered freelancing tools, and low-maintenance micro-tasks, perfect for beginners who want to start earning immediately while learning the ropes. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand multiple beginner-friendly, low-effort ways to make money online in 2026, but you'll also know how to combine them, strategically automate processes, and start building a diversified income portfolio without stress-heavy learning curves or expensive upfront investments. So grab a notebook, focus carefully, and if you're ready to turn laziness into a smart strategy for earning online, hit like, subscribe, and comment "Lazy Cash" so I can create a bonus follow-up guide packed with step-by-step examples, tools, and templates to accelerate your results this year.